Bacteria. It's all around us, good and bad. It's everywhere. So what exactly are bacteria? Bacteria are microscopic organisms, usually unicellular, which means that they only have one cell. There are two types of bacteria, good and bad. Good bacteria is beneficial to humans and other organisms. These bacteria are called probiotics and keep our guts healthy. Bad bacteria, on the other hand, can be dangerous to humans and other organisms. These bacteria are called pathogenic bacteria and can lead to diseases, illnesses, and infections. Knowing these facts, we are left with two big questions. If there is bacteria everywhere, how can we escape it? And another, can we get rid of bad bacteria? Well, let's go take a look. Good and bad bacteria exist both inside of our bodies and outside. Let's start with our insides. Over 100 trillion good bacteria live inside of our bodies. Most reside in our guts to help our bodies break down food and absorb nutrients. Although there is not as much bad bacteria detected in the human body, these tiny microorganisms have the power to make our bodies weak and miserable.
Bad bacteria comes from external influences like foods, pollutants in the air, and even from inflictions of stress on our bodies.
Good and bad bacteria is everywhere. We can't fully escape bad bacteria. However, we can prevent bad bacteria from infiltrating our bodies and making us sick.
We can do this by exercising to keep our immune system strong so that our bodies can fight off illnesses, and making sure that we get plenty of sleep to let our bodies fully rest, and by maintaining a healthy and balanced diet to keep our bodies well nutritioned.
So, can we get rid of bad bacteria? Our answer to this question lies in the use of antibiotics and chemicals. Let's start off with antibiotics. Antibiotics are a type of antibacterial substance that work to treat and prevent bacterial infections. Antibiotics often kill or slow down the growth of bad bacteria. So, how exactly do antibiotics work against bacteria?
Most antibiotic drugs usually interfere with the bacterium's cell wall by attacking it and causing the contents of the bacteria to spill out, which results in bacterial death. They also work to kill bacteria through blocking the protein production, which inhibits bacteria from multiplying. Chemicals function in similar ways to antibiotics, but differ in the way that humans cannot consume them. When bacteria is exposed to chemical disinfectants, the heavy metals in the disinfectant often bind to the proteins, which causes the protein to denature. Once denatured, the proteins often lose their functions, which causes the amino acids to leak out of the cell, which results in bacterial death.
Now that we know the difference between good and bad bacteria and how to defeat bad bacteria, we're ready to set out to act on what we've learned.